Today they came on motorcycles. The opposition Cambodian National Rescue Party is vowing daily protests of various kinds until Prime Minister Hun Sen agrees to hold new elections. A protest rally on Sunday drew about 10,000 supporters. Opposition leaders say the elections last July were fraudulent, and they argue that if the balloting had been fair, they would have won. Hun Sen's government says the mass demonstrations are illegal and create chaos in the city. Hun Sen has ruled Cambodia for 28 years. His government was declared victorious in the July 28 polls, but independent monitors say the voting was marred by irregularities. Opposition leaders say that during future protests, they will block major thoroughfares in Phnom Penh, and they have vowed to continue until their demands are met.